Today I'm going to make beef stroganoff with the leftover beef tips and gravy that we made yesterday. So this is round 2 of this same recipe. I always make a little extra so that I can make a second recipe. So I'm going to dump all this into the pan here. Add just a little bit of water. And the video before this one shows you how I made the beef tips and gravy. I have my pan heating to 300 degrees, my salad master. I'm going to add 1 can cream of mushroom soup. In this pot I have water heating. I'm going to heat to a boil for the pasta that's going to go in it. Get that all mixed up. Now I could cook the pasta in this pot. Just add a cup of water, put the pasta in, put the lid on for 10-15 minutes, but to save on time, I went ahead and got my water going and show you how to do it. That mixed up real good. And when this starts to bubble, I'll come back to you. I'm cooking this in a Salad Master oil core, greaseless, waterless cookware. I made the dish yesterday, the beef tips in this with no oil, no added fat. And I've got that all mixed in good. Now I'm gonna put the lid on it. And when this little thing here starts tinkling, and I'm gonna know that it's time to turn it down. All right, so my little lid thing here is tinkling at me, so I know I can add the pasta. And I like this old-fashioned homemade noodles, egg noodles. You don't have to use egg noodles. You can use whatever pasta you have on hand, even spaghetti noodles if you want. And this is a bag I previously used. I'm only going to use probably half of this. A little over half. Because it's just the 2 of us. And I'm going to put the lid back on and wait for this little thing to start tinkling at me again. When it starts tinkling again, I will turn it on low for 10 minutes. So this is starting to make noise again, and this one's starting to make noise, which means this one's ready to add the pasta, but the pasta's not quite done yet, so I'm just going to turn that one down. I'm going to put this one on low, and I'm only going to do it for 8 minutes. Now I forgot to push the record button, but a while ago I added a half a cup of sour cream and a tablespoon of Worcestershire to my now stroganoff mixture. You do not have to add those 2 ingredients if you don't want. It just gives it a little extra robust flavor, and the sour cream gives it that distinct stroganoff flavor. This is what it looks like. And as soon as the pasta's done, we'll add the pasta and we will have dinner number 2 ready in about 10-15 minutes. Okay, my pasta is done. So I'm going to drain it. And I'm going to add it to the stroganoff mixture. I'm going to let this sit for about 2 or 3 minutes with the lid on. Let that pasta soak up some of the flavors. And even though this was made with leftovers from yesterday, it still made a large enough batch that we're gonna get a third leftover with it. And the third time around, we'll just eat it as is. We'll just reheat it. Or you can put it in a container and freeze it for a later date. I'm gonna let this sit for about 5 minutes. This is all done. And this is my round 2 meal, beef stroganoff, made with my leftover beef tips and gravy that I made yesterday. You can find these recipe videos on my YouTube channel. Just look up Texas TXMOMMA, Texas Mama, or on TikTok. I hope y'all try these recipes, and I hope you enjoy them. And I hope you leave me comments and let me know what you thought about it. I'll talk to y'all later.